Step-by-step instructions on how to fold StarBurst, created by Herbert. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I'm from Foldable Flight, and also today I'll teach you how to fold StarBurst. It's a plane that flies well and straight, but you would need a good launch to fly it. What's good for StarBurst is that it uses A4 paper, what I have here. You can also use AstroBright's paper for better performance, but A4 paper is the best for now. We will start by folding the left edge to the right, or opposite if you want to. As you know that this airplane, if you make a mistake, it might become worse over time. Try to really sharpen the creases. And then fold this corner to the center edge, as you see in most airplanes. Flip it over if you want to. Just really line up these creases. As I said last time, if you make a mistake, it will become worse over time. If you don't perfect the center fold, you might be able to not see it, and it might have a negative effect on the plane or this. Then you fold the airplane down. If you forgot the name, it's right here. It's StarBurst. And I'm Herbert. And then you fold this thing down like a arrow, like in that airplane right there. Well, then you basically fold this corner to over here. But don't leave space. Make sure not to confuse this airplane for the very cool glider. Then you fold this edge to here. Be careful, you do not want those edges to slide. Those creases may be very thick, so be careful. When you fold this, then you basically unfold it and fold this top edge to this crease right there. The layers are thick, so be careful again. Now it's time to fold it in half and fold it wings. Every airplane has this step, but some don't. Very few. And then you basically fold it in half. If there's any problems, just match them. And then now it's time to fold the wings. You have to make sure this thing is larger than 1 millimeter, or else your plane's gonna fly bad and it's gonna look weird. You have to just start right at this point right there. You just fold it, crease, and continue the crease off. And flip it over, do the same on the other side. You may see that this one doesn't want to bend and just bends in a other direction. That's a problem too, but just use your nail to direct the paper into the way you want it to be. But we're not done yet with the airplane. We have to fold the tips, or the winglets are called.